Congratulations on choosing Sohum Smart Safety Gas Stove for your kitchen. Sohum Smart Safety Gas Stove provides the much needed safety in your kitchen. We request you to watch this video till the end before using Sohum stove and follow the instructions provided in this video. Take the stove out of the box carefully. Please note that Sohum stove is equipped with auto ignition device and is powered by a battery cell. The battery compartment is situated under the stove. Open its lid like this and insert the battery while paying attention to its plus and minus sides. Make sure that the lid is closed. The gas inlet nozzle is situated at the back side of the stove. It can rotate in 360 degrees. Place this nozzle in the direction where your gas pipe is. Remove the cap of the nozzle, connect the gas pipe properly, and then start your gas supply. Your Sohum stove is equipped with child lock safety device. It can be switched on like this and switched off like this. If switched off, the ignition is turned off. For normal usage, put this in on state. Gently push the knob of the stove in the inward direction and observe sparks near the burner. Now the Sohum stove is ready for use. To turn on the burner, push the knob in and rotate it anti-clockwise. You will see the sparks near the burner and the burner is lit with flame. Let us take a look at some important instructions to ensure safety while using this gas stove. Do this. Before using the stove, read and understand the instructions provided in the stove's user manual. Number 2. Make sure the sensors and igniters mounted near the burner are not displaced from their desired position. If you observe so, correct their position. Pans and pots are to be placed on the burner only after the burner is lit. After one burner is lit, there should be 4 to 5 seconds gap before lighting the next burner. Even after turning the burner knob to on position, if the burner doesn't light up, check the position of the burner and the sensor. The sensor tip should be in contact with the flame. Switch off the child lock button while cleaning the stove. Instead of running water, use only a wet cloth to clean the gas stove. To use the gas stove, press the knob very gently and turn it anti-clockwise. You will observe sparks near the burner and the burner is lit. Now your gas stove is ready to use. When not in use, keep the stove valves and cylinder valves in off position. In order to get proper flame, keep the burners clean and tidy. Frequently check the sensor for black carbon deposits. Clean it with a cloth. And do not do these. Do not place hot pans or bowls on the glass surface. Avoid water splashes on the stove when in use or when hot. Avoid using excessive force on stove knobs. Do not disturb the positions of sensor and igniters. Do not use abrasive cleaners or steel scrubbers to clean the gas stove. Do not use the gas stove for dal bati or tandoor.